Hi everyone, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do a Shiba Inu update. Of course, we're waiting on one large catalyst that's imminent, which is ShibaSwap. But a couple other things we're going to get into in this video. We're going to talk about the charts and talk about the historical outlook on the charts. And we could be in for a big spike just due to the current consolidation. So we're going to get into that as well. Currently, SHIB is ranked at number 33, so it's fallen off a little bit. It was up in the higher 20s a couple of days ago, but still fluctuating there and dropping back to the mid 30s at the lowest, but we've seen a nice bounce back. So here's a look at the 7-day chart right here, and I bring up the 7-day chart because it's a nice outlook here in terms of the consolidation. We've really been fluctuating between the 7-2 line and this 8 line here. And it's really nice to see because we don't really have a lot of fluctuation in the 24-hour high, 24-hour low, which is really good. And, if history repeats itself after consolidation, we've seen a big increase. Now, before consolidation, we've seen the big sell-off. We had that big sell-off just this past week, right, where we dropped 66%, actually upwards to 80% if you take the 19th crash and the 23rd crash. Now, before we get into this a little bit deeper, just want to let you know this is not financial advice, just for entertainment and informational purposes only. So let's take a look at the 1-day price now on SHIB after looking at the 7-day. And as this loads up, you'll see market cap right now is ranked number 33, sitting around 3.5 billion. So here's the 1-day chart. So we did dip down a little bit. We're working our way back up above the 09 level here. And we take a look at a recent article. It says SHIB price shows 2 key levels that will determine whether Shiba Inu will rally by 65%. The price seems to be contained right now between the 50 and 10-hour, 4-hour moving average, which again is good. Consolidation is good if history repeats itself here for SHIB. And again, still waiting on a catalyst that's imminent with it being ShibaSwap. Now, there's been some other rumors out there, Robinhood, Coinbase potentially adding it. Those are all pure speculation right now, but I really could see one day down the line Robinhood adding Shiba Inu. It just seems like it would be a great fit. Let me know if you think so too down in the comments. So SHIB price seems to be trading at a critical point after experiencing an 84% decline, of course, going back to May 19th, May 23rd, 2 days where the market crashed, and that was across the board. It wasn't just SHIB. So SHIB price seems primed to recover, though, and then they talk about it here in the FX Streets analyst, and they look to evaluate where SHIB price could be heading next. And a lot of that information and insight came from, an infographic that I've been sharing, as well as others have been showcasing on Twitter that shows just where this thing could be heading if history repeats itself. As for the SHIB token Twitter account, we're looking at 525 followers, so a nice boost there. It's been pretty quiet in terms of their actual tweets. Now, there has been a recent listing that's not yet been updated on the official SHIB page, and we go over here. So this was just a couple hours ago. Shiba Inu available now on Currency Exchange. So Currency official just tweeted this out a couple hours ago, and this will be really nice. Another exchange adding Shiba Inu, which of course is a good sign. It's a positive for sure, but we're waiting for one of those major catalysts, one in the form of ShibaSwap, right? And if we go back over here, I'll show you this chart that I've been referencing a couple times here. Good friend of the stream, Mark, sent me this a few days back, and this shows you the cyclical nature of SHIB. So spike in January, drops 90%, consolidates for 26 days, big spike. Right, same thing here happens in March, drops 70%, consolidates for right around the same time frame, 25 days, another big spike. Now a spike in April, drops 77%, consolidates for 16 days this time. Next spike, even bigger, 2,800. So here we are in May, we got the drop of 66%, consolidating right now as we speak, right over that 7-day chart that I just showed you. This is nice consolidation here in the 7-day. Look at this, nice consolidation. So hopefully this can continue for another week or so, and potentially we get that next spike, which could be even larger than this one. So again, going back to this, Currency official available, and Shiba Inu now available on their exchange. Good news. Still waiting on great news, though, of course, with ShibaSwap lingering. And then the potential of a Robinhood Coinbase listing somewhere down the road. We could get news on that, but nothing imminent just yet, okay? Here's another tweet that I came across, just kind of showing a nice technical analysis here of, we can see the consolidation. We should be heading up to the 1.5 level here pretty soon. Of course, all-time highs way up at the 38 level. It's going to take a little bit more to get there, but if we can at least rise back up to our 1.5 level, we haven't been there in quite some time. So after the crash here, we're looking to first consolidate before potentially a big breakout. Now, this is supposedly, again, speculation here, but supposedly the last run here as they're setting up ShibaSwap. This looks to be, a couple transactions found here. We could take a look at this. These are really recent as well. So final testing phases of the Shiba Inu token here on the Ether scan. This could be a good sign because it could tell us that ShibaSwap is coming right around the corner. Of course, all of us are still waiting for that news and information to become official. Here's another article I came across. Shiba Inu fans sign petition of Robinhood. So if you want to jump in and play a role in, having SHIB potentially be listed on Robinhood, you could do that. There is a petition going around. I myself signed it. A lot of other people on our stream have signed it, and I know a lot of you may have already signed it, but if you could spread the word to others, that can help us get Robinhood's attention. Now, Robinhood did reply back to Kai Green's original tweet about SHIB. So if we go back to the homepage here, we'll take a look at that. So Kai Green pretty recently tweeted out, about Shiba Inu, and he actually tweeted to Robinhood and, asking them that they should add the asset, right? So if we scroll down here on his tweets, we'll find, here he is talking to Meek Mill as well about Shiba Inu, which is also good. He's saying he's holding his SHIB, buying more when it dips. He doesn't sell it. So a lot of good things coming out of Kai Green. He has good following too. I wish he would have mentioned something on his Instagram. He's got a lot more followers there than he does on Twitter. That would have helped kind of get the word out a little bit more. But so here you go. This is going back to his original post here. So Kai Green, not financial advice, but heard a rumor. Robinhood app is picking up Shiba within the next week or so. And Robinhood responds here, sorry for the confusion. We're continuing to look into supporting additional cryptos. We haven't confirmed any plans to list specific new coins at this time. That said, we love the enthusiasm and hearing your ideas. So at least they're listening. They have said that they're not really looking at this at this time, but who knows, right? They could be. And here again, they mention after Jim Fitz gets a response in here, they jump in. It's currently only available in the U.S. with the valid social security number. We do hope to branch out further, and we'll keep everyone informed as we explore international expansion. Just talking about how Robinhood plans to grow. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, right? After Krishna here wants SHIB, part of the Shiba army. We will be sure to let you know as more become available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrencies doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling. So Robinhood is taking notice of Kai Green and what others are saying about Robinhood, but we're still waiting on some really imminent news in that space. Now we are waiting for ShibaSwap, and of course, when we do hear something, I'll be creating a video on that, and especially once we're able to see what it looks like and kind of understand how it's all going to work together, the ecosystem with Bone and Leash and SHIB. So another article here just coming out today from Yahoo Finance talking about the why social trading is leading to a crypto penny stock craze, the rise of micro cap coins. So they're talking about some Ethereum-based coins, the Elon coin here, but they also talk about Shiba Inu, and they talk about how it pumped up drastically, and it got way up to the 38 level at the high, and then it came crashing down, leaving Shiba to fall 58% from its high in the space for 3 days. But with more meme-based coins entering the market at a rapid rate and capturing the imagination of cryptocurrency investors looking to get rich from rapidly appreciating assets, the market appears to draw comparisons to the penny stock craze. So one thing I stress on the channel, guys, I don't really hop on to the next craze. I like Shiba because it's a top market cap coin, right? We could see that here, number 33. This is one of the reasons why I went in the direction of Shiba Inu as well as Dogecoin. They share some commonalities in that respect, and I'm holding these for the long term. That's kind of my thinking. One other thing with Shiba Inu that I think, along with the ShibaSwap, could be an immediate catalyst. So something they talk about, this is on their website as well, but they talk about it being jumping into the NFT space, right? And it's right here. The Shiba Inu website invites dog-inspired artists from all over the world to foster the artistic Shiba movement as they bring their Shiba Inu community into the NFT market. They also have the Amazon Smile campaign going, which I think can also be a nice catalyst. But I really think right here, if Shiba Inu can nail it with the NFT market, if they can roll this out alongside ShibaSwap, this could be a really, really nice catalyst in the short term. So if you got some value out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll be back later today with a VeChain price prediction video. So for those of you interested in VeChain, be on the lookout for that one coming out later today. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.